So to log in, you go to www.gtaa.net/administrator. You don't have to do the forward slash, it'll put it in there automatically. So just administrator. When you get there, you put in your username and your password, which I will email to you, and then you click on log in. And then this is the first window that you're going to see, which is your control panel. So one thing that I want to point out about the control panel that you may want to do is in creating a user, you want to go to the user manager. And then you'll see here, these are all the people who have accounts thus far. And so, for example, for Tracy, if I click on Tracy, when you go in here, you'll see the email address that's associated with it, and I can, type in a new email. Now, it doesn't give you a password. It doesn't show us what the password is. So you have to type your password in here, and you have to do it twice. Once where it says new password, and then a second time to verify the password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then once you do that, if it's a new person, this is where you set up like what type of access they have. The highest access is super administrator, where you can do everything, including create users and change their passwords. And then each one you get less privileges of what you can and can't do. So once you're done, you want to, if you click on save, it will save this window, but it will leave it open. Oh, oops. My fault. If you clicked on apply, it will save the window and leave it open. But clicking on save will actually close the window as it just did. All right. So that is how you create a new user. If you wanted, well, that's how you change a user. If you wanted to actually create a user who's not already in here, you would click on new, and then it would open up the same window, and you would just put that information in there. And as I said, if I did apply, then it would save it but leave the window open, whereas if you do save, it's going to close the window. And if you don't want to make any changes, or you don't want to keep the changes that you've made, you simply click on cancel, and it'll close it out and it won't keep the changes.